guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lip swatch review video, and today I'm testing out the Beauty Crop Peptide Calm Hydrating Lip Treatments. Now I only have 2 shades to try out today. Never tried them before. I think they only had like 4 shades in the store, and these shades were the only ones that I was really interested in. These were pricey. These were like 10 or 11 pounds, maybe even 12 pounds each. I was like, wow, like normally like a lip balm or lip gloss is like, I don't know, 6 to 8 pounds. This was so expensive. So I was like, what is in these to make them so pricey? So that's why I only bought 2. But yeah, this is the Peptide Calm Hydrating Lip Treatment. It has peptides, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. So I have the shades Lychee and Plum. So I'm assuming this is just a lip balm with extra special caring properties in. We'll see. So I'm just going to swatch them today and let you know if they're worth the money. So let's just get started. Okay, I'm going to start with this one, which is the pink. This is the shade Lychee. So it's a screw and then it's a squeezy thing. I don't know if these are going to be like super pigmented or light pigment. Who knows? Let's try them out. Okay, so this is stunning. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. It does have a scent, but it's not unpleasant and it's not overpowering. Like, it's barely noticeable, but there is a slight scent to it. This is stunning. I actually really love the color. I was scared that it was going to be like super pink like this and I wouldn't have liked it, but this is just a perfect shade. I can already tell though this is not going to last longer than half an hour tops. And then you're going to need to reapply this. If you're eating 10 minutes, you're going to need to reapply this. So this is not a long lasting one. However, it feels super hydrating and moisturizing on my lips. Completely non-sticky, but it is a balm. I would say this is definitely a lip balm. It's not a gloss. So it's like, how is a lip balm so pricey? I don't know. But I love this shade. It is stunning. So it's already wearing away, you can see. So I don't get how this is so expensive. Right, let's try the next one. So the next shade I have is called Plum. Again, oh, just a stunning shade. Really natural. I think this is a bit more wearable. To be honest, they're both really wearable. They're both really natural, wearable, everyday lip balm glosses. Really comfortable, again the same as the other one, and I just love this shade too. This is just blowing my mind. How is this 10 pounds? Don't get me wrong, this is stunning, but would I repurchase for 10 pounds? I don't know. Like, am I missing something? Maybe my lips are going to be like insanely hydrated later and I'll be like, oh, that's why it's 10 pounds, but at the moment I'm not seeing it, so I don't know. It smells nice, feels nice, tastes nice, looks nice, but I would recommend you getting it because it's really, really nice. I think that this pink one was my favorite shade actually though. They're both really nice. This is more wintry. I'd say this is more summery. Stunning shades, and they came in a few different colors as well. But yeah, these are just the ones that I picked up. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. Leave a comment down below if you've tried these. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you think that they're worth the price point. And let me know what shades you've tried. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you've tried them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!